For
the avocado. You want some, Bella? Hi, Mommy.
what are you going to do today?
To make a smoothie.
A smoothie. Do you know what fruit is that?
Avocado. And
Okay.
it's the color green.
Ah, it's color
But we need to
green.
get out all the seeds. Why this seed won't come off? You know why the seed won't come off? It came off. Yay. Now we need to get out the seed.
Do like this, huh? Scoop. And then put here. Okay. You try. Hold.
Okay. Scoop. Then put it here.
Yes.
How about this?
More.
Ito?
Mm-mm.
Ito? Put it all?
No.
Why? Avocado.
Here. You want to do like this? You do like this.
Come on, Mommy. Just get it yourself. Ganito. Squish mo para malabas.
Ay, ganun ba?
Yes. Now we need this to get up. Wow. That's a big one.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. It's really big. Big.
This avocado is from Bella.
Bella. Thank you, Bella.
For
The avocado. Thank you, Bella. Blend it up, then cover your ears. Come
Not
on.
now we will put some milk.
Yeah. Wait, the milk?
Oh,
Oops. I almost hit the camera. Wow, that's a big milk. Now, I'll do it. Ako na.
go. You pour everything. It's just a little bit. Now we need to put some water.
Yes, yes.
Oh, put some water, just a little.
Okay. Okay. One enough.
No.
Okay, stop. Hey, now I need to cover my ears, Bella.
Are you ready?
Oh, it's quiet. Wait! Now it's movie, Mommy. It's movie. Let's put it in the glass.
Wait.
There's too much of it, so we can put it in the glass. Now me.
Yummy. Is it?
Yeah, it tastes like candy. Yummy. Dapat too much put sa milk para makablend na tayo. This looks like a volcano. See, a green volcano. Blue. madami.
Well, not so much because we were going to cover.
Yeah, I pranked you. I got a little bit. Cover. Now let's go to get it. Now I need to get this. Don't get in my. This looks like a lollipop.
Mm.
I like doing both jobs, Mommy. Being an ate and Mommy and Kobe is fun.
Ah.
And pag may work si Mommy and ate, go pee to Billy's.
Yes. This one is yours. You can eat this one. And this one, I'll put it in the fridge.
Jar.
Yes.
Then, when it's hard,
Then, when it's hard, you can eat this one.
come on. It's so delicious.
Is it? Can you taste it?
Delicious. Delicious. You want some, Bella? Thanks for avocado. Next, you give us the strawberry to blend.
The smoothie and check whether it becomes ice cream, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oops.
See.
There.
Booze, I'm cold. Should we get that ice cream out? I'm getting cold in the food.
How about this one? Let's get check. Oh, it's not yet. Let's try the other one. What happened?
It's hard.
It's hard.
See?
Oh. Wow.
Now it's ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
But it didn't go here. A little bit.
Mm.
Mmm.